Hi everybody, it's Mike from EduCircles, and this is a tutorial to show you how to make your own copy of a view-only Google Drive folder or a view-only Google Doc or Google Slideshow. So before we begin, let's just make sure that you sign in so I can see that I'm signed into my Google account. And let's say that somebody has given me a link to a Google Drive folder. So I'm going to click on that link, give it a second, and it'll open it up, and I can see right away that this is not my folder because it says shared with me, right? And I have a bunch of files here. So if I open up this one, this double entry journal, let's say I want to make a copy of this. If I open it up, I can copy it one by one. I can see here I don't own it because it says request edit access. I don't actually want to request edit access because it might take a while for the owner to reply, or they may not give me permission, because if they give me permission, I can edit the master document, and maybe this is a document that they've shared with other people and they don't want you to change that file. So I'm not going to request edit access. I'm going to cancel that. By the way, sometimes in Google Docs, you see little pictures here. For example, this one is Anonymous Badger. It just means someone else who is not signed in is also viewing this folder or this file. And I know from experience, this can sometimes be distracting for students. So it's best to make your own copy. So I'm going to make my own copy. I'm going to click on File, Make a Copy. It's going to ask me for a file name. I can change it or leave it the way it is. I want to save it in a specific folder, so I'm going to go to My Drive. Here's My Drive, and maybe I will create a new folder called My Copy 1 by 1. Okay, so I'll click checkmark to create this folder. And now that I made this folder, I'm going to select it to choose it. I'm going to hit OK, and it's now making my own copy of this Google Doc so that I can edit it and change it the way I want to. Here's the file. I can make changes however I want to. So that's the first step here. Okay. So I'll just close that off. Now let's say I want to make a copy of a slideshow. So for example, let's say I choose this slide. I have view only access to this. I know this because in Google Slides, it tells you on the left-hand side, it's view only. Again, I could check it and say request edit access, but the owner may not give it to me because they don't want me to edit the file that everyone can see. So I'll hit cancel on that. So all I'm going to do, same as last time, is click on File and Make a Copy. And I'm going to make a copy of the entire presentation. Again, it'll ask me where I want to save it, or the file name. I'll change the folder as well. Let's go back to My Drive. Here we go to My Drive. I'm going to choose my folder, Make Copy 1 by 1, and I'll click Select to choose this file, and I'll hit OK. And it's making a copy there. By the way, if I go back to that original one, I can see that there is an anonymous goose and an anonymous raccoon who are watching this file at the same time. And they are just people who have not signed in, but they're viewing this view-only link. This is my copy. It says copy of. And again, I could click on something here and I could change the phrasing to match whatever I want it to be to fit my classroom. Okay, so that's how you make a copy of an individual file. But let's say someone shared with you a folder with a bunch of files, and you're not going to want to copy all these files one by one. So the quick way to do that is you click on one file, just a single click, and then you go CTRL+A to select all of the files. And then now if I just right click here, I can make a copy. It's not going to give me a choice of where to copy it, but in the bottom left-hand corner here, I can see it says copying 29 files. It's a lot of files, so it might take some time. So now is a great time in the YouTube video to ask you to go down and click that thumbs up button, and to go ahead and click that subscribe button to keep you in the loop of all the things that we do here at EduCircles. And if you have any questions or topics that you would like to see a tutorial on, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do to help you. So 29 files, it's still copying away here. You could also choose to watch some nice cat videos, maybe some videos about dogs, penguins, maybe some narwhals, maybe watch the grass grow, maybe watch some, I don't know, clouds float in the sky. Oh, there we go. It's copied it to my drive. And now if I click on My Drive here, I can see here are all my files, and I can see it's made a copy right in the main drive. And so I probably want to organize it. So I'm going to create a new folder. And this folder I'll call My Copy All, just to make a difference here. I'll click on Create. So there it is, My Copy All. I'm going to select all my files, and the quick way to do this is I click the first one, and then I scroll down, and then I hold the Shift key on my keyboard, and I click the bottom one. And so that's going to select a range of files, And Google's quite nice. So if I click and drag, I can see there are 29 files here, and I'm going to drag them to my copy all, let go of the mouse, and it's all moved into that folder. And if I double click that folder, I can see all of my files are here, and these are my own copies. So if I click on that first loss.c file, I can see this is my copy. I can see that there's no one else watching it on the side. And if I click on what is critical thinking here, for example, I can see that I can change the text. So that's it. That's a tutorial on how to make your own copy of a Google Doc that is view only and it's shared with you. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.